how to set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify. The first thing that you want to do is go to your Facebook Events Manager and click on Connect Data Sources. Then select Web and click Connect. After that, select the pixel you want and click Install Code manually. Then copy the pixel code provided. Over here, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Themes, and then click Edit Code. After that, find the theme, liquid file, and scroll to the head section. Then paste the Facebook pixel code at the top of the head section and hit save. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.